everyone! Today we are going to make a blind contour drawing. Contour is another word for outline. Drawing a contour means just using a line to draw your subject. The subject is the object or thing you are drawing. You will not be shading in your drawing. For this drawing, you will first draw something that you see, not something from your imagination. This is called direct observation. Second, you will only use a line to draw your subject. And third, since this is a blind contour drawing, you will not look at your paper while you are drawing. Find your subject matter. It could be a toy, an object in the room, a person, or even your hand. You will need a piece of paper, tape, and a marker. Tape the paper to the surface of your drawing so that the paper doesn't move around too much. You could use a pencil, but I think it's more fun to use a marker because you won't be tempted to erase anything. Find an object to draw. Pick a point on the object to start your drawing. Draw slowly. Try drawing all of the details you see before moving on to the next section. Since I'm not looking at my drawing, you can see that what I'm drawing is not quite matching up. It won't all connect together, and that's okay. Focus on what you're looking at. You want your eye to be scanning the object at the same pace that your hand is drawing it. So you don't want your eye to move too quickly from one part of the object to the next. If it wanders, bring it back to the point that you're actually drawing. Try not to look down at your drawing until you're finished. My drawing turned out kind of funny looking, but that's what makes this drawing exercise so much fun. Try drawing something else. Continuous blind contour drawing. The difference between a continuous blind contour drawing and a blind contour drawing is that you will create a drawing with a single line. That means while you're drawing, you will not lift your marker off the paper. Try drawing your hand for this one. Make sure the hand you are drawing is not in front of the paper so that you are only looking at your hand. Remember to not look at your paper while you draw. I'm focusing on my hand and my eye is slowly traveling around it. The marker should mimic the way your eye moves around an object. If you lift your marker off the paper, that's okay. Just keep going and try not to lift it off the paper for your next continuous line. I'm even using the creases in my hand as an opportunity to draw across my hand or fingers. Next, change the position of your hand, and if you can, switch your marker for a different color. Draw your hand again on a blank space on the same paper. We're going to overlap our drawings to make a bigger image. Let's do that one more time. Wow, isn't this a cool drawing? Did you know you can make a drawing without looking at your paper? Great job! Thank you for joining ASI today. At ASI, we'd love for you to email us your art to be included on our website and online art show. You can email pictures of your art to info@artsphere.org. If you post a picture of your art from this lesson on social media, be sure to include the hashtag #LoveArtsphereInc. You can find more free teaching videos, handouts, and lesson plans at info@artsphere.org.